I got this head off of Amazon because I wanted to add a few new members to my Brass Eagle Adventure team. This head is compatible with most TB League bodies with a ball joint. Here are a few UR codes if it helps you any. She is off of the soldier figure. I've always liked this head sculpt, and it was finally a price that I could afford to get it. I also purchased a body for her. This body has been one of my favorites, or this body type, 3Q. Here's another barcode if it helps you any. She is super articulated. She came with several pair of hands, relaxed fist hands, some grip hands, and then the pointer trigger finger hands. The interesting thing about her feet is that they were jointed. Instead of giving you 2 feet, they give you a jointed foot, which is interesting. And the head is compatible with TB League figures. After putting the neck piece on it, the neck joint, her head went on very easily. She's going to make a very cool addition to my Brass Eagle Adventure team. I really like this head sculpt. It's very different. They've added a few painted details right here. And her hair is very thin, so I'm not going to pull that ponytail down. Just leave it. This body is a lot different than the other ones I've been getting. The hands stay on a whole lot better than the very cool and the other body. She fits action figures or G.I. Joe clothes pretty well, although this top I'm probably going to replace because I really don't like it. She is a bit shorter than her counterpart, which you will meet later in another video, which is great. I like the various sizes and shapes. It helps create realism. She fits the G.I. Joe boots pretty well, although it's the smaller feet G.I. Joe boots. The ones for the larger feet wouldn't work. She does come with a ankle extension piece that you could put in to make her a little bit taller, but I left it off. I like having her a bit shorter. I'm going to put her on a different team than Darren, Sam, Lee, and Con. She'll be on a second team with 3 other people. Well, that's it. That's all I have for you. I really like this head sculpt. I'm very pleased with my purchase. She's one of my favorite characters now, and I like to having various head shapes and face sculpts instead of everybody being a clone. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, share this video, and until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.